welcome back to my channel. My name is Barbara Delmonica. So excited that you're here. We're going to be talking all about the Imbue Curl Respecting Conditioner. I absolutely love that name. Like, yes, curl respecting. This conditioner is inside of my January 2024 Curls Monthly mailer. I cannot believe that it's January. Happy New Year. You may notice if you are a Curls Monthly subscriber, the little insert in your Curls Monthly this month has a little hole punch at the top. We did that so you can stay a little bit better organized in 2024 and just put all your little inserts on a key ring, and hopefully that helps you just stay a little bit more organized. If you are not a Curls Monthly subscriber, Curls Monthly is my curly hair subscription service. Each month I send you 5+ of my favorite curly hair products to your doorstep. And of course, if you're a Curls Monthly subscriber, hello, I love you. Hope you love this month's mailer. This Imbue shampoo and conditioner are back inside of Curls Monthly for popular demand. So if you have been a Curls Monthly subscriber for a while, you may have tried this a year plus ago. And if you weren't, well, today's your lucky day. Now you get to try it. So we're gonna be chatting through this conditioner, and then I'm also going to be giving you some tips on what to do if your hair feels rough after you shampoo, because a lot of times that feeling of roughness after you shampoo is your hair trying to tell you something, and it's up to us to act accordingly to prevent that from happening and to almost undo that from happening. So first of all, just some fast facts about this shampoo. It definitely has juicy butters and oils in it. Definitely going to help hydrate and condition. There is a small amount of protein in there, but it is pretty juicy. Like, there's 5 of the heaviest conditioning agents inside of this. And best of all, it's a super affordable product. I'm pretty sure the bottle this big retails at $7.99. You can get it at Target. They have it at other stores too, but I mean, you really can't beat that price for especially the amount that you're getting, and it's a curl safe product, so we love that. I'm definitely gonna say this conditioner is best for dry hair, frizzy hair, coarse hair, thick hair, and probably more so like fine hair or hair that like kind of gets oily easily. Should be a little careful. Now, everything in moderation. I encourage all subscribers to try all products because you really never know. But of course, if you have those hair types, you wanna make sure that you're using a little less or just using it a little bit more carefully, knowing that it's typically for people with more coarse, thick hair. Of course, the way that you wanna use any conditioner usually is the same. I'll definitely link a full-length video below so you can see really how to condition your hair. But in general, you usually detangle your hair when your conditioner is in, so make sure after you shampoo, you apply the conditioner from your ends and work that up gradually to the top of your hair, and then take your fingers or a wide tooth comb and just detangle slowly your hair with the conditioner inside of it, and then rinse it out. Now, looking more in depth to the ingredients inside of this, I love going through ingredients just so you have a better idea. The front of the bottle might say one thing, but the ingredients might say something else. So I always like to go through each ingredient with you to really train you over time to help you understand what inside of the product is actually doing what. So the first thing that we have is cedarol alcohol. This is a favorite ingredient of mine. It is a very moisturizing, curl-safe alcohol. Most of my favorite products have that as the first ingredient, so we love that. Then we have cetyl alcohol. Again, a very similar ingredient to cedarol alcohol, similar, moisturizes your hair. We love it. Then we have glyceryl cerate. Probably said that wrong. That's also going to trap moisture, keep your hair from drying out. Then we have PEG 100 stearate, which is gonna make your hair feel really soft. Cetitronium chloride really is going to help you detangle and condition your hair, so lots of conditioners. Panthenol adds shine and manageability. Olive fruit oil is a oil that conditions your hair. It's definitely on the heavier side. Then we have shea butter, which is a super heavy conditioning agent. Coconut oil and cocoa seed butter, again, very heavy moisturizing agents. And grandiflorium seed butter, which is another heavy ingredient. So we have like all these pretty heavy, juicy ingredients right at the top of the ingredient list. Then we have that little pop of protein with the hydrolyzed protein. Then we have tocopherol acetate, which is going to help prevent breakage. Sunflower seed oil, which decreases frizz. And then later down, we have 2 silicones. We have like, it's kind of long. It's like, says da-da-da amidimethicone and then da-da-da dimethicone. Those are technically silicones, but they are water soluble. So they are curly girl safe. They are able to rinse out of your hair. They're not like the bad silicones that you might hear about. So yeah, it's a great product. And this sort of like leads me into what I wanted to teach you on today's video, which is all about what to do if your hair feels rough after you shampoo. So depending on your hair's oil levels, I talked about this month on another video in this playlist that you can definitely look up. that chats about how to pick the right shampoo. So let's say you pick the wrong shampoo for you that day. You pick a shampoo that's a little bit more cleansing and you didn't need that much of a cleanse. Your hair might feel rough and a little too like squeaky clean afterwards, to the point that you're like, give me conditioner right now. So don't panic, it's okay. All that's going on with your hair is that it's squeaky clean. I know it doesn't feel great. If you have dry prone hair like me, it happens more likely than you wish that it did. But you just wanna reach for a more moisturizing conditioner. So I always kind of change up my products every single time I wash my hair because my hair needs different things every day, and so does yours. So that's when maybe I had planned to use a different conditioner, maybe one that's not as moisturizing. That's when I would reach for a conditioner like this that is very, very, very moisturizing. Then you're just gonna condition and detangle. Add more water if you need, add more conditioner than you think that you need. And eventually after you detangle, you should have seaweed hair. Seaweed hair is when your hair is at its most moisturized level and it kind of resembles and feels like as slimy as seaweed. And that's how you know that you did a good job. But don't worry about that rough feeling. It's so fixable. You just have to make sure that afterwards you're grabbing a really moisturizing conditioner like this one. If this video helped you at all, make sure you give it a big thumbs up. Make sure you're subscribed to this channel, and I'll see you next time.